This program can be installed on Windows 7, 8 and 10, but unfortunately not on all Windows 11. Find on the internet the free program WinRAR Lab, download it and install it. Then look for the Daemon tool on the internet. Download the free/trial version and install it. Install the free license. Click Decline. Navigate to the downloaded files and unzip Dialogys DVD 0 file. If you see a -00 and number in the end of the file name, then rename the files and remove the dash, the 2 zeros and the number that follows. Enter the password you see on the screen. Open the unzipped Dialogys DVD 0 file in ISO format using Daemon tool. Open Autoplay and run Install Launcher. If for some reason your PC does not open Autoplay, go to this PC, which is where you see all your drives. Click twice on the loaded CD-ROM, which is about 4 GB in size. Then select English. You can select another language, but note that repair manuals and technical notes are only available in English. Install the program according to the instructions you see on the screen. An Adobe Reader icon will appear on your desktop. You can delete it. You will also see a new icon, Dialogys. The program is installed but does not yet have any documents. You will therefore need to install further parts of the program. Go to this PC or my computer. Right-click on the CD-ROM drive and select Eject. Go back to the downloaded files and extract the next file, which is Dialogys DVD 1. Open the Dialogys DVD 1 file in ISO format and install it following the same steps as for the installation of the previous part. This process may take some time. When finished, don't forget to eject the virtual CD-ROM. This is quite an important step, as it will help you to better organize the installation process and thus avoid errors. Then install the next part in the same way as before. Proceed in the same way until you have installed the final 7th part. Once you have installed all 4 parts, right-click Dialogys on your computer's desktop and select Properties. In the Compatibilities tab, select Run this program as an administrator and press OK. Let's now check that the program is running well. I will try to find out about replacing the rear brake disc in the Renault Clio 4. Everything works as it should. This means that I installed the program correctly. Wasn't that difficult, right?